Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear students of class 6th, yesterday we have seen in the previous lesson we have seen the and observed the labeler diagram of the flower, and today we will see the function of the different parts of the flower. Let us start. As you have already seen, this is the labeler diagram, and different parts of the flower are here named labeled here, like ovule, ovary, style, and stigma. They are the female reproductive parts, and these leaf-like structures of different colors and bright and attractive colors, they are called as petals. And these uh, leaf-like structures at the bottom of the flower, which are green in color, they are called as sepal. And these arm-like structures having swollen parts at the top, where the arm is called as filament and anther, swollen top is called as anther. They are on the right and left side of the ovary. They constitute the female reproductive part of the flower, and they are called as stamen. Let us see. Petals, these, this, 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 and this. Petals are what give a flower its unique shape and are often brightly colored to attract insects. Petals जो होते हैं, they give the flower its unique shape. Second, they are brightly colored, have different colors in different flowers, and their colors purpose is to attract the insects. The purpose of the colors is to attract the insects, so that the male and female reproductive organs combine together and fertilization will occur. Now there is a sepal, another part of the leaf. It is a leaf-like part growing at the base. They protect the flower before it blossoms. Often you have seen in the flowers that small green-like parts at the bottom of the flower. They always grow at the base of the flower, and they help flower, or they protect flower when it blossoms. Now the second part is stalk or peduncle. This is called the stem of the flower, or peduncle of the flower, or stalk of the flower, on which the whole flower rests, which supports the whole flower. Now there is the pistil or carpel of the flower. Pistil or carpel of the flower. This is the female organ of the flower. Female organ of the flower. This is the female organ of the flower. This is called as pistil or carpel. It consists of four parts. Ovule, ovary, style, and stigma. These four different parts are this one part called as pistil or carpel represents the female reproductive part of the flower. Now it is stamen. This is the stamen, anther, and filament. It represents the female. It represents the male reproductive part and consists of two parts, that is anther and filament. Already you have seen this is anther and this is filament. So these were the different parts of the flower. I hope you would have understand the structure of the flower. Regarding flowers, there are some facts. One fact is there are flowers which are called as imperfect flowers. The imperfect flowers have either male or female part in them. They either have only male or female part, a reproductive part in them, and they requires another flower to mate, another flower to reproduce. Similarly, there are flowers which are called as perfect flowers. They contain both opposite sexes. They don't require a separate flower to reproduce. Thank you.